In this tutorial, we want to provide a step-by-step guide about how to show a button with special action to your customers using the WooCommerce product table plugin. In our plugin, you can add as many columns as you need in the Columns tab. On this page, click on the Add a Column button to show a column in your table. For this column, you can set a heading and a cell content. However, to fulfill the purpose of this tutorial, click on the Add Element option in the Cell Contents box, and then select Button from the list of elements in the left panel. Now, a button has been added to this column of your table, which you can customize by options available in the General and Style tabs. So, let's review them. The first option in the General tab allows you to use the default WooCommerce button. If you opt for this option, no further configurations are needed for this element. However, if you keep this option unmarked, it means you have to set the configurations to show a button with a special action in the table. Label of the button. Link to direct your customers when clicking on the button. Action on click to open the link on the same page or a new page. Edit label. By default, you can see Buy Here as a text message in the label section. However, you can change this label. If so, click on the trash icon of the text element. Now click on the Add Element option and choose an icon from the list. Custom field. To add a custom field to display instead of a button label. Dot to show dots in the button. HTML. Use customized HTML code for the button label. Icon, to add an icon to be displayed on the button. Media image, to choose a picture to be displayed as the button label. Price, to show a price on the button. Shortcode, to add a shortcode to be displayed on the button. Space, to add space between elements displayed on the button. Text, to write a text for your customers on the button. And total, to show a total amount on the button. For example, here let's click icon and select the shopping cart. And then we're gonna click on live preview, and there it is. As you can see, the shopping cart is appeared instead of Buy Here label. Edit link. After adding a label to show a button with special action on the table, you have to set a link to direct your customers when clicking on the button. So, in order to set a link for the button, you can mark one of these options. Open product page. When customers click on the button, they can see the product page of WooCommerce. Open external affiliate link. When customers click on this button, they can see the product page of the external or affiliate website. The custom field containing URL. If you have a custom field containing a URL, you can choose this option, then enter the custom field's name in the bottom box, and by doing this, customers can see the custom field page when they click on the button. The custom field containing media ID. If you want to add a media, for example, a picture, to the custom field, you can choose this option and then enter the name of the custom field in the bottom box. So when the customers click on the button, the image is displayed to them. Build custom URL with placeholders. By choosing this option, you can create a custom URL by adding available placeholders listed in the bottom of this section, and then direct your customers to see that specific page when they click on the button. Action on click. In this part, You can instruct the plugin to do one of these actions when the customers click on the button, to either open the link on the same page or open the link on a new page. Step 3. Edit Style tab to show a button with special action in the product table. Finally, when you go to the Style tab, it is possible to personalize some details, which are styles for button. In this part, you can set configurations like font, border, background color, and etc. to show the Add to Cart button when the product is available. Styles when out of stock. To change the look of the Add to Cart button when the product is not available, you can set the opacity and change other configurations such as font settings, icon, background color, border settings, and other settings. Style for Cart badge. These configurations such as visibility, border settings, and font settings let you customize the icon's appearance.